Friends, we spent our day beautifully in the Sweden, but emergency arrived at my house at 2 a.m. So keep watching. Here, I am Uma Mundra from Fizzy FamBam. In this video, I am going to share why did I had to call the ambulance. We had been in the Sweden only for 20 days. We did not know much about this country. Friends, we just got up early in the morning and we were very happy as just we need to go for our Swedish ID card. Huh?
Who?
And finally we just got our Swedish ID card. My husband went to the office and I just came back with my children and I took my children to the garden.
Aishita.
So friends, we spent our whole day very beautifully, but suddenly at the night around 2 a.m. my husband got a stomach ache. In the starting we were thinking like there was a problem of might be a gas, but the pain was increasing and increasing. So friend, in this situation I hit the bell of my neighbor houses, and after 10 minutes one neighbor came to me and I told him all the situation of my husband stomach pain. He suggested me to call to emergency number, so and call the ambulance. So friends, I saw this emergency number many times earlier and I never paid attention on this as I was surrounded with my family in my native place. My family and my neighbors, they used to help me whenever I needed. So in this Sweden I come to know the importance of the emergency number. They asked me first about the personal number. Thankfully I had a personal number, so with the help of personal number the ambulance reached at my home. The staff of the hospital asked some questions like about our personal number and the medicine, and they said that they would have to take him to the hospital. So at that time I was thinking like I will also go with my husband, but they said like there is a pandemic, due to the pandemic COVID, so you can't go, and I just stayed with my kids. So after a while like one thought came across my mind, like which hospital they took my husband. So I called again to the emergency number and asking about the hospital. So they first asked me about the personal number. So in Sweden, whenever you reach guys, you should have to apply for personal number. If you want more information about the Sweden personal number, you can click on this iCard. Yes, because all the things revolve around the personal number in the Sweden. So please, if you are new in the Sweden, go and get your personal number immediately. So finally I was just relieved to knowing about that my husband was at the right hospital. And really guys, that night was really crazy, and so it's a very hard time for me, for my kids as well. So this is all about that night. And one more thing like I need to add in, during all this incident they not even ask about the single rupees from us at that time. All the receipts, all the hospital bills, all the ambulance bill, the medical bill came to our home. All these receipts they send it by the courier. Yes, in the Sweden, like there are different stores, and for buying the medicines, we bought our medicines from this store. This is a pathokit store, and we went there, and we don't have any hard copy prescription, doctor prescriptions. So they just ask me about the personal number again for giving the medicine, and then they gave us medicines. You just see the how the Sweden more dependent on the personal ID number of that person, right? So guys, as you all know that the problem, no need to having a invitation, right? So they can come anytime anywhere, so be ready with all these things in your pocket where you reach to Sweden, okay? So finally we got our medicine from this store, and we came back to our home. Guys, if you like this video, it is okay. So if you comment on it, it's good. And if you subscribe this channel, it's like a wow, as you all subscribers are the lifeline of my channel. Be with my channel.